Oregon Cash Flow Pro Quick Tip.
Hey folks, this week's quick tip is about economic value added. That is an industry term, otherwise known as EVA, and it essentially means the difference between the rate of return and the cost of capital. Or to put it simply, it's accounting for the cost of capital or money. Now typically we measure the cost of money in terms of interest. You're either paying it, earning it, or you're missing out on it. So you're paying it if you are borrowing money. If you have a loan, there's a cost to borrowing that money. If you are earning it, you're investing it. You're using your money to turn it into more money, right? And if you're missing out on it, that's if you're using cash for something. So anytime you decide to buy something with cash, you're now missing out on the opportunity for that money to earn interest. When it comes to money that's in your possession, you can either earn money with it or you can miss out on earning money with it. So the key to this quick tip, and the reason we brought this up today, is because I want you to think about how you can utilize this economic value added concept that there's always a cost to money out there. What do you do with yours? Do you pay interest with it or do you earn interest with it? And if you're not earning interest with it, maybe there's a way that you can shift the way that you're using your money so that you can earn interest with it. So that's your quick tip of the day. If you have any questions or comments about it, leave them in the section below. I would love to hear your thoughts.